Hi all, Dan O'Brien here. I am at 729 Adobe Road Northwest here in Los Poblanos in the North Valley, Albuquerque. And you're about to see a 5,400 square foot home. Uh, that's all the square footage combined, including a casita. And I'll give you a tour here. Behind me is the gate. And basically this is an entire enclosed compound, so it's perfectly private. Here we go. Here's the main home. Looking to the east, you've got a basketball court. There's a space for a volleyball court. The pool is right back there. I'll show you that in a bit. The pool is heated. It was just re-gunited. The main house is here, originally built in 1930. I'll give you a full tour of that. Let me zoom you out a little bit. The roof on the main house is about 2 years old. The AC on the main house is about 2 years old, and it is a heat pump style AC. You've got a connecting building here that right now has one garage space in it. It's currently being used as storage. It could be additional bedrooms, bathrooms. And then you've got over there is the casita, which is 2 bedrooms, 2 baths with a full kitchen. As you can see, there's ample parking. You do have an electric gate that runs off of an app. It runs off of a clicker, and you can also access it from inside the house with your phone. You have a large pond here in the center. And this great covered deck here with a pier that comes out over the pond. Coming into the house, I'll give you some of the history on it. So the original house was built in 1930 by the Padilla family, and their grandson actually still lives in the house just to the east of this. All the stucco on the house is in fantastic shape. Coming into the main house, you'll see that the floors are original oak, and they're flanked on the ceiling by the original rough sawn square oak beams and oak ceiling. You do have this fantastic cathedral skylight, and that right there, and at the other end, those both slide shut, so if you don't want the sun coming in during the summer, you can shut the light out. Here's your kitchen. The kitchen is appointed with KitchenAid appliances, and you have to the ceiling oak cabinets. You've got a double oven, 5-burner gas range, and you have a downdraft kitchen vent or range vent. Granite countertops. You also have a dishwasher there. This section of the house from this wall back was put on sometime mid-70s to mid-80s. But what you have here is you've got a full laundry with a large pantry. You've got access to the front yard again from this door. So if you want to bring your groceries in, if you're going to park in the garage there. This door, and I'll show you another door on the hallway. They are double doors, or they're Dutch doors. And they are from the original Alvarado Hotel, which was built in downtown Albuquerque in 1901. It was the original Amtrak stop for overnight travelers here in Albuquerque. Just off of this area, you do have a great patio area for entertaining. There's a Kiva fireplace here that is piped with natural gas. It's not currently running on it, but it could easily be set up. You also have a gas grill that's piped for natural gas, so that stays. We'll go that way in a bit. So this is the hallway off of the dining, just so we don't get lost. It's your dining, kitchen. The kitchen, while we're here, I should say, originally the kitchen was from about the center line here over, and then this side of the kitchen was the original family chapel, and there's a closet door now by the front door that was the entrance into the family chapel. The master is here right off of the kitchen, and you've got this beautiful bay window, and it is set up with this beautiful tree, and you probably saw the birds fly away. There's all kinds of bird feeders there right now, so there's a lot of activity. You do have a Kiva fireplace in this room. Trying to zoom back out. There you go. This is the second Kiva fireplace in the house. It is wood burning. It is not gas. You have radiant baseboard heating throughout the main house. You've got a big walk-in closet and a very large master bath with his and her sink, and you are clad with Carrara marble in the shower. Coming through, we're in the breezeway that goes basically from the living area out to the pool area. At the end of the pool, you have a meditation pagoda. To the right, you'll see that you're very well shaded. There is a honeysuckle vine here, and this is wisteria that covers this entire pergola. So there is your basketball court. There's a volleyball court. Pump house with a pool is right here behind these trees. You've also got a waterfall over there that's been abandoned. There used to be a lazy river that ran along that side of the pool. It's been abandoned and filled, but you could easily put a recirculating pump in there and just have a pondless waterfall. There is also a putting green over there. Let's go that way. So you've got a putting green back in there. And my phone's going crazy. There we go. And then this loops back around to that other sitting area that had the Kiva fireplace. This house is Adobe, but it's what's called Terrone Adobe, which means that instead of being built by Adobe bricks, your walls are all 18 inches thick, the original exterior walls. They were taken out of the riverbed in giant slabs and erected here. So I'm told if you go down into the crawl space that you can actually see sticks and twigs and leaves still in the Adobe. This is the family room. This is your third Kiva fireplace on the property. It's also wood burning, not gas. And back here we've got two additional bedrooms. One is currently set up as an office. And you'll see that the floors carry throughout. You've got the bathroom for these two bedrooms and bedroom number 3. Coming back through, I'm going to show you one more thing. In the floor here is a hatch that opens to the original root cellar. Currently there is a furnace down there that runs the radiant baseboards. In my mind, it would be simple enough. This is like a 12 by 12 room under here. I would personally move the furnace to this first closet here, and I would make that whole area down there a wine cellar. So coming back out to the front, we're going to hang a right, and the current owner added this garage space. This entire building is heated. There's not air conditioning, and it's on electric baseboards. So you've got this room here, and this is right off of, just to the right here, that's the Kiva fireplace again out there. So currently this is being used as storage, obviously. This is the garage space. The reason the floor in here is red and white is 2 owners ago, they made it This was the house for the neighborhood kids, and this room was actually set up as an ice cream parlor with a soda jerk and all of that for the neighborhood kids. We're into another room here that's currently being used as storage. And you've got this brick structure that's here. All of this. This is not connected to the building in any way. One of the previous owners was a jeweler, and this was his vault. So that's where he kept all of his supplies. I should say that all of the inspections have been done on the property and all the repairs have been made. So that roof is 2 years old. The roof on this section is 10 years old. This house was built in 2002, the casita. And the roof on that is original, but it's a 30-year roof. It was inspected and they found no problems with it. Coming into the casita, you've got a full kitchen, which is something that's odd to find here in Albuquerque. It does have a dishwasher. You've got an electric range. Hanging right, we go into bedroom number 1, which would be the primary bathroom here. I'm sorry, primary bedroom here. You've got a large walk-in closet and a large open bathroom with a walk-in shower and his and hers sinks, vanities. Coming into here, we've got bathroom number 2 in the casita. You've got block glass here, so you've got great natural light coming into the space. Another large walk-in closet, and another good-sized bedroom. And let's go around back and take a peek real quick. You've got plenty of parking if you entertain. You can probably fit about 40 cars in here. The property is lined with these large old cottonwoods. This is storage, I guess, for the it's for the acetylene tanks and such for the person that was the jeweler. And then back here we've got 2 stables and an additional storage shed there, and the roof has a 2-year-old is a 2-year-old TPO roof. And that is 729 Adobe Road Northwest here in Albuquerque. Thank you for following along.